Welcome to the Spooky Doorbell Moments, a collection of 15 eerie clips caught by cameras. Get ready for mysterious corridors where normal things turn creepy. No usual gratings here. Frozen scary moments capture weird and unspoken things. Imagine innocent doorbell rings showing unexpected scenes, diving into a world of spookiness. Moments show strange things that don't make sense, bringing an eerie fear. Walk carefully into a strange mix: ghosts at night, weird shapes, and creepy strangers in the dark. Each clip challenges what we know, pushing us to uncomfortable places. Get ready for a spooky ride. In this video, we're checking out some seriously weird doorbell moments. These glimpses into the unknown will make you question what's real and what's not. Buckle up for a wild journey through the most bizarre and hair-raising doorbell encounters ever caught on camera. It's going to leave you with chills long after the doorbell stops ringing. Cameras on doors, like silent guards, show moments that don't make sense: shadows moving, mysterious figures, and chilling moments. Get ready for an unsettling journey through mysterious things. Quick peeks into strange moments reveal a mix of known and unknown. Brace yourself for a creepy journey, an unforgettable mark on your mind, staying even after the doorbell sounds fade away. Have you ever wondered what could happen at your doorstep when the sun goes down? Stick around to find out in this compilation of the scariest doorbell moments. On number 15 on our list, we have a video where late at night, a fella stumbled towards the house all shaky and unsteady. He banged on the front door real loud, making a big ruckus and moaning like he hurt himself bad. He tried hard to get in, but nobody in the house woke up, staying as quiet as a snoring mouse.
The residents claim they have never met this man, and we have no idea.
He looked really surprised that no one noticed him, his eyes wide open like he couldn't believe it. Then, he flopped back onto the balcony railing near the door. He seemed all confused, trying to stand up by moving his hands around, but he couldn't quite manage it. The people living in the house said they never saw this guy before, never knew him at all. They were really puzzled by his strange antics outside their place. The house stayed hushed, like nothing out of the ordinary was happening at all. Next up on number 14, let's see a figure clad in a clown costume creeping towards the front door. Their head tilted to an unnatural angle, fixated on the doorbell camera with an unblinking stare that chilled the bones. Step by deliberate step, they advanced, never breaking eye contact with the lens, stirring a deep sense of dread.
16 Deadly Climbs craze was likely caused by a clown-costumed person approaching the front door. The person can be seen tilting their head and walking up to the door almost the entire time, staring directly into the camera.
The eerie figure's approach was an unnerving spectacle, raising suspicions of something darker beneath the surface. However, what unfolded beyond the haunting gaze remains a haunting mystery. It's uncertain if the homeowner encountered further distress or if the unnerving visitor vanished without a trace, leaving an eerie sense of foreboding lingering in the air. The encounter with the clown at the door left an inexplicable unease, a silent threat that lingered long after the unsettling incident. Video number 13 is a spine-chilling event. A woman, armed with a bunch of keys resembling a wizard's spellbook, tried to enter a house that wasn't hers. The homeowner, with wide eyes and a racing heart, watched in disbelief as the stranger fumbled through the keys like a mad scientist conducting an experiment. The homeowner, utterly puzzled, had never laid eyes on this key-wielding woman before. To add to the bewilderment, the stranger started slinging stones at the homeowner's car, as if to conjure more keys to test on the door, a bizarre ritual that sent shivers down the homeowner's spine. The woman's determination to unlock the mystery house raised the homeowner's alarm levels to maximum. It was like a scene from a haunting thriller, one where the eerie soundtrack played with every clink of keys against the door lock. The homeowner, feeling a chill down her spine, stayed hidden, fearing the unknown intentions of this puzzling intruder. As the woman persisted with her strange quest, the homeowner's heart raced, wondering what dark secrets those keys might unveil, and what horrors could follow if she gained entry. On our 12th video, get ready to witness a spine-tingling instant. A stranger appeared on the doorbell camera wearing a broken doll mask that looked like something out of a nightmare. This eerie figure stood in front of the camera, moving in bizarre ways, sending chills down the spine of anyone who might watch the recording.
This video shows a stranger with a super scary mask in front of a doorbell camera. It's a broken doll mask, which makes it look even worse. He's acting very strange standing there. Then, out of nowhere, this stranger pounced on the doorbell cam.
The masked stranger's behavior was beyond peculiar. They twitched and jerked around in a hauntingly unnatural manner, making the scene even more unsettling. Suddenly, as if possessed by a terrifying impulse, the stranger leaped towards the doorbell camera with a jolting, unexpected movement. It was a terrifying sight, one that could make even the bravest souls shiver with fear. The sudden attack on the camera felt like a jolt of horror, leaving a lingering sense of dread. Thankfully, no one was home to witness this terrifying encounter, sparing them from the chilling spectacle that unfolded on the doorbell camera. At number 11, we have a scene that sends shivers down the spine. A woman with an unsettlingly eerie smile appeared on doorbell cameras of random houses. Her smile, one that seemed carved from nightmares, stretched unnaturally wide across her face, giving off an air of ominous delight. This chilling visitor, her gaze fixed on the camera lens, exhibited no signs of warmth or familiarity. Instead, her smile appeared almost twisted, hauntingly devoid of any warmth or kindness. Each grin felt like a stab of dread, as if she knew a dark secret that sent chills through the very core.
In this video, this woman was captured smiling in front of the camera. Her smile was very creepy. She did this on random houses in front of the doorbell cam. She ignores the creepy smile and walks away. I don't know what she's looking for or the purpose behind it, but her smile is frightening.
Ignoring the unsettling nature of her own smile, she moved on from house to house, leaving a trail of unsettling images in her wake. Her purpose remained an enigma, leaving those who witnessed her unnerving visitations with a sense of deep unease and unanswered questions. The mere memory of that chilling smile haunted the minds of those who caught a glimpse of the footage, wondering about the intentions behind that bone-chilling expression and what ominous mysteries lay behind it. Hold your breath as we approach the eeriest entry on our list, revealing a doorbell moment that will leave you double-checking your own security measures. As we're down to our top 10, we have a video of a strange and chilling figure emerging in a peaceful neighborhood. Dressed like the haunting Momo character, this mysterious being moved with an eerie grace, each gesture dripping with a sinister aura that sent icy shivers down the spine of anyone who caught sight of it. Bathed in the ominous glow of the moon, The figure's unsettling presence seemed fixated on a particular house. Drawn to the glowing allure of the doorbell camera, its cryptic motions and unnerving fascination left the homeowner paralyzed with fear and confusion. As this enigmatic intruder performed unnerving gestures, a cloak of terror descended upon the homeowner. Who or what was this unsettling entity, and what dark desires lay behind its haunting facade? The night seemed to whisper secrets that only intensified the homeowner's dread, trapped in a chilling mystery with no answers.
A mysterious figure emerges in a serene neighborhood, dressed as the eerie and infamous Momo character. Every sinister gesture sends chills down your spine as the moon casts an ominous glow. The figure is drawn to a house, seemingly fascinated by the allure of the Ring doorbell camera. With each perplexing gesture, the homeowner is left disturbed, wondering about the dark intentions behind this unsettling facade. Who is this enigmatic intruder?
The mere sight of the figure, dressed in that ghastly guise, instilled a deep-rooted fear that lingered long after its departure. Its ominous presence left the homeowner trembling, haunted by the unknown intentions lurking behind that unsettling guise. As we move on to number 9, watch how the next doorbell camera captured a chilling scene. A disheveled lady, her belongings in a rusty cart, scavenging items from porches in the dead of night. At first, her actions seemed routine, a scavenger in the moonlit streets, seeking forgotten treasures. But the unsettling turn came as the recording unfolded. Gradually, her routine shifted into something more sinister. With an unnerving change, she fixated on the doorbell camera. Her eyes, hollow and piercing, betrayed a sense of lurking malevolence. A shiver-inducing transformation overcame her face, contorting into a twisted and haunting grin that sent shockwaves of terror through the screen.
In the beginning, nothing odd occurs, but then things begin to get strange.
That unsettling stare, devoid of warmth or sanity, froze the heart of anyone watching. It was a visage that spoke of eerie intentions, a silent warning echoing through the night. The homeowner, witnessing this eerie encounter, felt a primal fear grip them, as if the darkness itself harbored secrets too chilling to comprehend. The memory of that chilling gaze, piercing through the doorbell camera, lingered like a haunting nightmare, leaving the homeowner trembling with an inexplicable dread of what lurked behind that unsettling facade. Next up at number 8 is a spine-chilling event unfolded before the doorbell camera's unblinking eye. A sinister figure arrived, maneuvering a menacing vehicle to a stop in front of the homeowner's dwelling. Without hesitation, he charged at the door, unleashing a barrage of kicks with brutal force. Another shadowy figure emerged, both conspiring to breach the formidable entrance, their determination palpable through the camera's lens. The door, a bastion of security, defied their relentless assault. Each strike reverberated with a terrifying echo, threatening to breach the sanctity of the home. Yet, remarkably, the door remained unyielding, warding off the menacing siege.
The two men eventually give up and go their merry way, but seeing how the man had a Lamborghini parked in his driveway makes you wonder, did these two men try to break in?
Abruptly, the assailants abandoned their malevolent quest, fading into the night's obscurity. However, a chilling revelation lingered. The camera's gaze caught a glimpse of opulence, a sleek Lamborghini resting in the driveway. a disturbing question loomed. Did these assailants target the home, aware of its owner's wealth, seeking illicit gains? The unsettling quietude that followed bore witness to a sinister truth, leaving the homeowner gripped with a chilling fear and haunted by the possibility of a calculated assault based on their apparent affluence. But just when you thought it couldn't get any scarier, wait until you see what happens next at number 7. At number 7, we have a series of unsettling incidents unfolding where individuals, like strange apparitions in the night, were caught licking doorbells. It was as if an eerie compulsion had possessed them, turning a mundane act into a twisted obsession. However, the plot thickened when it was discovered that the recurring culprit behind these unnerving acts was the homeless son of a neighbor. The doorbell licker, a shadowy figure lurking in the neighborhood, was apprehended after multiple instances of this unsettling behavior. As the police were summoned, the eerie atmosphere thickened, casting a pall of fear over the community. Swiftly taken into custody, the homeless individual's eerie obsession with licking doorbells sent a chill down the spines of those who learned of the unsettling truth. The inexplicable nature of the behavior, coupled with the unsettling trend, left the neighborhood gripped by a sense of eerie foreboding. A haunting reminder that sometimes even the most mundane things can become chillingly sinister. Moving on to number 6, at the ominous hour of 8:45 p.m., a sinister figure emerged, donning a hauntingly eerie, smiling mask that concealed the true depths of his intentions. With each deliberate knock, the air grew thick with a foreboding chill, heralding his chilling presence. The masked man's unsettling actions escalated as he lingered at the door, his ominous smile hidden behind the disguise. For a spine-tingling 15 seconds, he awaited a response, his malevolent gaze fixated on the homeowner's domain. What unfolded next was a chilling revelation. The masked figure, aware of the watchful eye of the doorbell camera, proceeded to wipe away fingerprints from the surface, erasing any trace of his ominous visitation. His cold, calculating actions suggested a familiarity with evading detection, shrouding his identity in a cloak of mystery.
He waited for the homeowner to answer the call, and afterwards, we saw him wiping his fingerprints off with his sleeve.
Who was this enigmatic intruder, and what sinister motive propelled his unsettling visit? His deliberate actions, coupled with a bone-chilling smile and calculating erasure of evidence, left a lingering fear that whispered of malevolent intentions lurking beneath the mask. The haunting truth remained elusive, haunting the homeowner's thoughts with unanswered questions and a sense of lingering dread. As we inch closer to the top spot, get ready for an unexpected turn that'll have you questioning the safety of your own neighborhood. We made it to the top 5. Behold this eerie piece of evidence, a sheet moving in ways beyond the natural realm, offering an unsettling glimpse into the supernatural. Watch closely as it twists and billows, defying the logic of any earthly force. Its movements, not guided by wind or human touch, bear an otherworldly quality, a dance choreographed by unseen forces.
This video may show some genuinely freaky evidence of the existence of ghosts. Take a look at this sheet here. The way it moved certainly doesn't look all that natural, but rather supernatural.
The sheet's unnerving fluttering, devoid of any discernible cause, hints at a presence beyond our understanding. It moves with an eerie deliberateness, defying the laws of nature, casting a chilling aura that whispers of ghostly visitations. This paranormal spectacle challenges the rational mind, offering a spine-tingling glimpse into the realm of the unknown, leaving us trembling in the face of inexplicable evidence that hints at the existence of entities beyond our comprehension. At number 4 on our list, in the eerie backdrop of 2019, an unspeakable horror unfolded at 2:10 a.m. A peculiar figure, shrouded in darkness, approached a peaceful home. The unsettling nightmare commenced as he brazenly licked the doorbell, an ominous prelude to the harrowing events that followed. This malevolent presence with wicked intent unleashed a reign of terror upon the unsuspecting family. For a spine-chilling 3 hours, he prowled around, indulging in horrifying acts that defied comprehension. The night air thickened with fear as he trespassed upon their sanctum while innocent children slept, oblivious to the encroaching malevolence.
Something incredibly eerie unfolded in Salinas, California. It was around 2:10 in the night when a peculiar man approached a house. What makes it spine-tingling is what he did next. He began to lick the doorbell. Can you even believe it? But that's not where the creepiness ends. He continued to do all sorts of terrifying things around the house for a whopping 3 hours.
The intruder's grotesque actions, captured by a watchful camera, revealed a glimpse of his sinister face, a face etched with the grotesque satisfaction of his deeds. The hours dragged on, the family trapped in a harrowing ordeal until the first light of dawn mercifully banished the haunting intruder into the shrouded folds of darkness. The memory of that relentless night of terror lingered, casting a chilling shadow upon the family's tranquility, a tale of malevolence striking when least expected, leaving scars upon their souls, etched by the haunting and inexplicable horrors of that fateful night. As the countdown begins at number 3, witness a masked woman who approached the man's home with an unsettling intent. Her chilling plan halted abruptly as she locked eyes with the doorbell camera. For a torturous 40 seconds, her gaze bore into the lens, an unnerving stare that felt like it delved into the depths of one's soul.
Then turns and appears to grab something from behind one of the walls of the house. As she slowly walks away from the house, you might assume she's leaving for good. However, you can see she continues.
In a disturbing turn, she adorned goggle-like glasses and adjusted her mask with eerie precision, concealing her identity, as if shrouding herself in a sinister veil. Her cryptic hand gestures sent a shiver down the spine, in ominous language spoken in silence. Then, as if orchestrating a malevolent symphony, she vanished momentarily, reappearing to linger outside the house. Her ominous presence loitered for a haunting 20 minutes, casting an unsettling shadow upon the neighborhood. The enigmatic intruder's unsettling actions, a macabre blend of concealment and eerie gestures, left an indelible mark of fear. Her lingering outside the house, coupled with her mysterious intentions, wove a chilling tale that lingered in the minds of those who witnessed her chilling visitation, leaving them gripped with an unshakable sense of foreboding. At top 2, in the dead of night, on the east coast of the United States, a chilling scene unfolded outside a Reddit user's dad's friend's house. A woman, wearing a slight but unsettling smile, approached the front door with an air of confusion. Her bewildered gaze scanned the door, yet her demeanor was tinged with a chilling unease.
But what is most concerning about this unexpected visit was the large kitchen knife in her hand that she looks down at several times in the footage. While the generally accepted theory on this was that the woman has some form of dementia,
for an agonizing 2 minutes, she lingered, her actions fraught with nervousness and paranoia. She cast wary glances behind her as if pursued by unseen horrors, her behavior unsettlingly erratic. But what sent a shiver down the spine was the glint of a large kitchen knife clutched tightly in her hand, an ominous presence that she peered down at repeatedly. Imagine the horror of the homeowner awakening to this eerie footage from their doorbell camera. A woman wearing an eerie smile, exhibiting signs of both confusion and dread while clutching a menacing weapon. The image of her disturbing presence, coupled with the mystery of her intentions, would surely evoke a bone-chilling fear that lingers long after the haunting footage ends. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Brace yourself for the scariest doorbell moment ever captured on camera. Finally, at number 1 is a video of a rainy night in a quiet suburb, past the hours meant for visitors. A bone-chilling incident unfolded. The homeowner, oblivious at the time, discovered a haunting video the following day. A disconcerting figure emerged from the shadows, a middle-aged woman holding an umbrella with her gaping mouth frozen in a silent scream. For an unnerving 20 seconds, she stood at the doorstep, her mouth agape, a chilling sight against the backdrop of the dark, rain-soaked night.
open position. She tries the doorbell or another button one more time before walking away and disappearing into the darkness.
Her relentless ringing of the bell, mouth wide open, sent a shiver down the spine of anyone watching the footage. One final attempt at the doorbell, and then, like a specter, she vanished into the shroud of darkness. The homeowner, shaken to the core, claimed no recognition of this eerie visitor. Some speculated she might suffer from an unsettling condition, but no definitive answers emerged. The enigmatic visitation lingered as a haunting mystery, leaving a lingering sense of unease, a disquieting reminder of the inexplicable and the chilling unknown that lurks in the quiet corners of the night. Before we ring off, let's take a moment to reflect on the haunting tales captured by these vigilant doorbell cameras. From eerie figures to unexplained encounters, each moment serves as a chilling reminder that the familiar doorstep can harbor the most inexplicable mysteries. As our journey through these top 15 spine-tingling doorbell captures comes to an end, remember, behind every ring of the bell, a story awaits. These unnerving glimpses into the unknown offer more than just a thrill. They ignite our curiosity and challenge our perceptions of the ordinary. So, as we sign off today, keep your eyes peeled, because who knows what haunting secrets might be hiding behind your own doorbell. If you found these doorbell encounters as intriguing as I did, don't forget to ring that subscribe button and join our community. Until next time, stay curious, stay vigilant, and may your doorbell never ring with an unexplained chill.